Hey, don't you think we went a bit too far with this whole hating of donut charts? Have you seen the latest news? They calling it Aquaman? Stop. It's not funny. Have you at least seen the new ZoomCharts donut for Power BI? Maybe you might start doing something differently. I bore my clients to death using hundreds of bar charts. Just take a look at what it can do. You can set the number of slices visible, and the rest will be automatically bundled into an expandable other category. Hold on, that's not the only thing it can do. You can add up to 9 layers of information, and the client will be able to drill down simply by clicking or touching. As you drill down, the rest of the report filters itself, and look how fluid the animation looks. To go back, all you have to do is simply click on the middle part of Donut Visual. Is that a smile on your face? Let me make the chart brighter to match your mood. It doesn't look that bad, right? Oh, by the way, there's a 30-day free trial. Give it a try, will you?